the independent candidate by the name of Naresh Meena, who had challenged the cops, but that's not all. He had even slapped the SDM officer and had fled the custody, resurfaced then. He had slapped the SDM over a tiff, is what we are told, but that led the supporters of this candidate to go on a further rampage. And it's the kind of VVIP hung on power coming to the fore. We have a reporter on the ground in Tonk, Rajasthan, where you can see the cops presently are. Devankur is joining me from location. Devankur, go ahead. I see a lot of cops around you.
Well, clearly the situation continues to be tense. You can see the visuals out here. Independent candidate Naresh Meena was involved in slapping an officer, after which there was a heavy police force that was sent to the village to arrest him. He evaded arrest, and allegedly several of the villagers attacked the police officers who had gone over there to the village to arrest Naresh Meena. And on the next day, the day after the bypoll was conducted in the Devli-Unyara Assembly constituency, you can see all of these police personnel who are going towards the village, the Samravata village in Devli, to arrest Naresh Meena. You can see the SP leading the front, going ahead, trying to ensure that Naresh Meena is arrested. Listening to him.
जो भी इसमें अपराधी हैं, वो अपने आप को सरेंडर कर दे, कानून को अपना कार्य करने दे, और कोई भी बाधा इसमें उत्पन्न ना करे.
You can see the SP Vikas Sangwan leading the front, and it was a big question mark on the law and order situation in Tonk district. On 7 assembly constituencies, the assembly polls were being conducted, but it was only in Devli-Unyara that so much of violence, so much of chaos prevailed. And even right now, you can see all of these police officers who are moving towards Samravata village. The police has claimed that Naresh Meena had taken the law in his own hands and that he will be arrested. There is a huge possibility of a direct confrontation between the villagers, Naresh Meena, and the police. Whether Naresh Meena has already escaped from the village or not is something we can get to know in some time from now. But the police right now is heading towards Samravata village. The situation extremely tense, extremely volatile on the ground out here. People out here, villagers have already been told, who do not want to be a part of this entire mayhem should stay inside, stay indoors. The police has already told media persons to ensure that the vehicles are away, and there is a possibility of violence, there is a possibility of arson, because the violence had already taken place yesterday, and even right now you can see senior police officers marching towards the village in Tonk district in Rajasthan. Even
what had happened? Tell us about what led to a slap, because was this a Neta hung on power? Was it the fault of the SDM? What has led to now the next action?
No, I will tell you what happened. What happened was that the bypoll was being conducted in Devli-Unyara Assembly constituency. It was one of the 7 assembly constituencies. Naresh Meena, who is a Congress rebel, he had left the Congress and decided to fight the election as an independent candidate after he was denied a ticket, alleged that the poll officer was indulging in rigging of the polls. He was allegedly, as per Naresh Meena, helping out the BJP, and he admitted that he slapped the police officer, the poll officer, after which there was mayhem. The officer directed the police officials to arrest Naresh Meena. Naresh Meena evaded arrest for some time. In the evening of Wednesday, the police gherowed the village and wanted to arrest Naresh Meena. He was evading arrest, and several of the villagers have alleged that the police took the law in its own hands, that the police was involved in beating up of women, of children, and there was several of the vehicles that were burnt down. The village has its own picture to tell of how there is massive.
Devankur, I can clearly see there are rising tensions there. There's been an increase in violence, and the supporters of the candidate went on a rampage. The police have to take action right now. We are expecting arrests. We'll be tracking all the latest.